Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel where I help you make easy and delicious recipes and everything in between, from cleaning to easy DIYs and funny dog videos. If you like this mix, this channel is for you, so go ahead and click on the subscribe button, share this video, give me a thumbs up, and in today's video I will show you how to make a southern style chicken sandwich starting right now. Process a chicken breast with onion, add salt, garlic powder, and pepper to taste, a drizzle of olive oil. Mix everything together and make your chicken burgers. This amount of chicken will give you 4 chicken burgers. Now let's get cooking. I will be using a griddle, but you can use anything you have. A regular pan will do just fine. Add your chicken burgers to your hot griddle and cook for 20 minutes, flipping at about the 10-minute mark. I will be making 2 chicken sandwiches, so I add 4 bacon slices and cook for about 10 minutes, flipping at about the 5-minute mark. After flipping the chicken burgers, I add a slice of American cheese. You can add any cheese of your liking. Now it's time to remove the bacon. And the chicken burgers are done, and look at them, yum! Now let's build our sandwiches. Slice your bread, and I made my own bread. If you like to see this bread recipe, leave me a comment down below. Add mayonnaise to both sides of your bread. If you don't like mayo, add any condiment of your liking or skip this part altogether. Add a lettuce leaf to the bottom of your bread, then a slice of American cheese, then the chicken burger, pickle slices, ketchup, bacon, and top with your bread. I served this southern style chicken sandwich with some fries, and this was a delicious meal. And that is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and as always, I'm so grateful to have you in my kitchen. I will see you on the next video. Ciao!